way too strong. Doesn't make sense to bike in that direction. Even the kangaroos are getting out of here. Oh my gosh. Watch out for the roos. Kangaroo crossing. You alright, mate? You alright? Go. Wow. He stopped for me. Here, Lane.
Thank you.
I'm your savior for this morning.
I was in a panic.
Okay, well, we're gonna get on a boat because it's Australia. That's what you need.
Beautiful. Well, good to go, guys.
Thank you.
All right, we're off to Mariah Island to hunt down some wombats, maybe.
Pop us on the 2 o'clock ferry. She recommends that we do the fossil cliffs first, the painted cliffs, because we have to wait for low tide.
Sundays, Mariah Island. It's so wild. There's not a single shop, not a single cafe. Unlike Rottnest Island, which had a subway, you can't buy any meatball subs here. So you gotta bring in all your food and water because there's nowhere to buy stuff here.
It looks easier to cycle here than Rottnest.
It's one of the main reasons why Mariah Island exists, is to sort of preserve the wombat habitats. So if you want to spot some wildlife in Tasmania, Maria Island is where you're gonna go.
Mariah.
Sorry.
Mariah Island.
It's spelled like Maria, but it's pronounced Mariah.
Mariah Island.
Israel Galvan.
Little chunks.
Oh, those little tanks.
And there's a baby.
So we are right here. There's all of this. So wait, where are the toilets?
One here where we got off, and one at Darlington, which is like somewhere.
Oh, here.
Another Chinaman's Bay. They need to rename that, dude.
We found square poo, a sure sign of a wombat. On Magnetic Island, they told us why the wombat shit is square, and it has to do with stacking. These wombats will take their poo and stack it to show their mates that they're organized.
Look at my gut health.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Their intestines kind of squeeze and press out all the moisture, and it just compacts into a square-ish shape.
Wombat.
There you go.
Or is that a rock? I don't know if it's a rock or a wombat.
That's a wombat, eh? Well, we've been on this island for like 20 minutes and already spotted the first wombat. I've just thought it was a rock. Oh, I just want to grab him. Bye.
Oh my god, okay, this is all 8 hours of today.
We're not gonna rent the bikes.
No.
We paid for them, but we're just gonna leave them there and just stay here with the wombat. It doesn't get more sturdier, smaller, and solid than a wombat. But the thing is, if you try to carry him and put him in your check-in luggage, they can weigh as much as 27 kilos, so you'll be over by 7 kilograms. Wombats may be the only one that have the reverse pouch for their young, simply because they're a burrowing creature, so they're always digging. It's a reverse pouch that faces the butt, I think. Yeah.
Oh, look at all the poo there.
It's like a little factory of cubic poo. Bye. Sorted. So we've got our bikes here. We're gonna check out the first spot, Fossil Cliffs. 300 million year old fossils.
300 million years old.
So we've got a lot of rundown buildings. Because this was a penal colony, it's basically Mariah Island in a nutshell. Wildlife, penal colony history, and 300 million year old fossils. Whoa! There's a creek with water. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. Oh shit! Oh no! I wasn't moving fast enough. My only concern in that moment was don't get wet feet, because then I'll have wet feet all day. I'm wearing the same shirt you've seen me wear in the vlog for the past 3 days. Looking forward to a shower tonight, as we'll be staying at the Fox and Hound Hotel. Let me tell you, that room is gonna feel so good after sleeping in a tent for only 2 nights, but still. I'm right behind you. We just saw a wallaby hop across the path. They really let you appreciate how things once were. Excuse me. I'm just biking on grass right now, up a hill. It's not easy. I think I'm gonna have to walk this one. Spotted a pile of that cube-ish poo of the wombat. All right, we've got this unfenced cliff edge. Nothing terrifies me more than unsecured heights and steep drop-offs. Please be careful.
Yeah, we're going
Please.
closer.
The cliffs scare me, man. Kangaroos. They say the airstrip is a good place to spot some roos, and they were right, because there's about 10 of them out there.
They're friggin' huge. They're the biggest ones we've ever seen.
Yeah, they're pretty jacked. I don't want to get any closer to them. Some storm clouds look like they're headed our way, so it's time to layer up. The storm is really picking up. Wind is blowing. Literally blowing against us. So we're gonna go back where we came. At least we've got the wind at our backs. It makes this whole bike back easier, but this rain is not stopping. Wind and rain. So we're just kind of waiting out the storm. Got a bit of shelter here behind this tree. And then we'll see. We might be able to go back, or we might have to return.
Either way, if we went that way, it's a loop. So we end up in the same place than if we just go back.
It seems like there's some blue clouds down there, so this storm cloud might just pass over and we'll be able to proceed.
I can't see. And it's not because of my munted eye.
Sometimes you just have to take a cue from the kangaroos. When they all start hopping, all 30 of them, going for shelter, it means you should probably do the same.
When they stop for you to let you go like a gentleman, maybe you should also do the same.
No, I wasn't gonna run into him.
He could punch you.
Yeah.